Yes, Gants, just a message to say congrats on your 100th cap. What an unbelievable achievement. You know, it's been a pleasure to share a lot of them with you and to be on all the trips. You know, you've had some unbelievable times.
Congratulations, Gants. Incredible achievement, mate, to get to 100. You know, it says all about you, really. The performances and the commitment, you know, to the cause has been second to none.
Congratulations, mate, on 100 games. Unbelievable achievement. Only seems like yesterday we were playing in the Welsh schoolboys.
Guns, congratulations on your 100th cap. Yeah, it's been a pleasure to play with you since a young age.
Fantastic achievement. I remember your first game at New Zealand at Wrexham, and it's such a long way. You've done absolutely amazing.
Guns, congratulations on your 100th cap, mate. Your dedication and commitment to the national team is an incredible achievement and something that I hope you're extremely proud of, and it was my pleasure to play alongside you.
Oh, Chris Gunter.
What an incredible achievement. I know how much it means to you to play for Wales. I know how proud you'll be, how proud your family will be, and you deserve every second of it.
A pleasure to share some great memories together in a Welsh shirt. Absolute legend.
Not many players can say that they've got 100 caps playing for their country, so you know, great professionalism and a great desire from yourself to always be fit and always be available for selection.
100 caps. You've been brilliant for Wales over the years. We've shared some great memories together on the pitch, and you deserve it, mate. You've been there through thick and thin, always available, and you've finally done it, Centurion.
Gents, what an unbelievable achievement, mate. 100 caps, who would have thought it? They're a boy from Newport. Mate, absolute pleasure.
Congratulations, Guns. Unbelievable achievement, mate. 100 caps. It's been a pleasure being part of a lot of them with you, especially one night in Lille when thank God you decided to not listen to the gaffer and you did cross that ball.
Chris Gunter, 100. I'm so happy for you, mate. When you walk out, mate, for your 100th cap, forget about the qualifications and forget about the tournament. Obviously, they'll live forever. Just think about where you came from. Think about how long it's taken you and the sacrifice and the hard work you've put in to reach 100 caps. It's absolutely amazing, it really is. I'm so happy